Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Welcome to another episode of Market Review. As you guys know, it's been a very eventful 1.5 week, I would say. The market has been going up like crazy. So we had like Bitcoin, for example, going all the way to its high of like $25,000 in the past week, and also we had some crypto AI projects as well exploding in price. In fact, AI cryptos have been one of the best performing cryptos in the past week, with this huge hype right now with ChatGPT and other generative AIs as well. So a lot of people are pumping a lot of AI crypto as well. So we're going to be taking a look at them, and also we're going to be taking a look at the normal stuffs as well, what we usually take a look at, and then right after that we'll be taking a look at the AI crypto as well. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. All right, so let's get started with the first one. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Like I said, it went all the way to its high of $25,000, and if you guys remembered, the last time I made a market review, I told you guys that we should be looking to take some profit at $24,500 for Bitcoin, and if you're looking to buy the dip, you should consider doing so at $22,000. So that still remains the case, but right now the market seems to be slowing down at around $23,000. So what you could do is, let's say for example you have $100 or $20 you want to put into the market, right? You could put half of it at present prices of $23,000. So like if you have $100, you could put $50 into present prices, because the market seems to be slowing down at around this area. And one thing with markets is that once it starts slowing down, at least half the time or a little bit over half the time, that's showing signs of it wants to turn around and start going up. So there's a chance that we could see Bitcoin start heading back up from here, but my original buy limit is still going to remain at $22,000. That's why I said half of it could go into buying at present prices right now, and then the other half could still remain at $22,000 just in case if it continues towards $22,000. But $22,000 still remains a major support for Bitcoin to bounce off of. So if you are looking to buy the dip, consider doing so at $22,000, but also consider still buying some at present prices, because the market is currently slowing down at that price. And then of course you can consider taking some profit again at $24,500 if you want, or just leave it to break through that level and then we continue on to greater prices. And if we see Bitcoin break $25,000, we are most likely seeing it heading all the way to between $28,000 to $30,000 is a good spot to take some profits if the market breaks $25,000 and continues going higher. All right, so let's take a look at matic. So this is a very good one. For a couple of weeks now, matic has been exploding in price, and as you can see, matic went all the way to $1.52 or somewhere around that. And right now, because obviously, like I said, like I always say, Bitcoin controls the rest of the market, matic also lost its momentum and turned around in price. As you can see right now, we are currently sitting at a very good support right now for matic. So if you're looking to buy matic, consider doing so at present prices right now. If you want to buy the dip for matic, we are already at the dip. Buy matic right now is a good time to buy the cryptocurrency, and this is a very easy one. If you buy the dip right now, you can still take some more profit at $1.50, and obviously as Bitcoin explodes higher, we could see matic get all the way to $2.50. You know, you can take some more profit at those higher prices. But now if you're buying the dip for matic, consider doing so right now at present prices, because it's even showing signs of slowing down at even present prices, which is also good support as well for matic. So definitely do that, because I also would also be buying the dip for matic as well. All right, so let's talk about Cardano. Cardano is my favorite coin, and right now it doesn't sit at where I would like it to be. Where I would like it to be is 34 cents, right? But right now it sits at 36 cents, which is close enough for me. And also, you guys know Bitcoin right now is currently slowing down, like I told you guys, so which means Cardano also will be slowing down right now at present level. So right now it's pretty much very close to 34 cents right now. So if you're looking to get into Cardano, it's still the same thing, just buy it at 36 cents right now. But for me personally, I will still buy some ADA right now at present prices, but I will still set a buy limit at 34 cents. Even if that gains me one more ADA, two more ADA, it's worth it to me, right? Because I've said multiple times on this channel, ADA is going to be an easy $10 coin. And when it's a $10 coin, this is a staking cryptocurrency as well. So which means if you can accumulate as much of it as you can at these present prices, that it just means the more passive income you can get from this cryptocurrency, right? So this cryptocurrency is going to make a lot of people a lot of money, all right, and it's going to set a lot of people financially free. I hope you're one of them as well. Clearly this is not financial advice, but for me personally, I'll be accumulating as much of this cryptocurrency as I can accumulate, so that in the future I can benefit greatly from it. All right, so let's talk about AVAX. I know in the previous episode that I said that $15 is a good spot to buy AVAX, right? That still remains the case. $15, I'm still gonna keep my buy limit as $15, right? But right now the market seems to be slowing down for AVAX at least. The market seems to be slowing down at $17 right now, and it had done that last week as well. It slowed down at $17, turned right around and went back up to $21, and right now it's back at $17 right now. So barring a move from Bitcoin down to $22,000 or below $22,000, we probably might not see AVAX get to $15 anytime soon. So what you can do, if you're really interested in buying AVAX, you can still buy some at $17. It is actually a good spot to buy it at, so consider buying some AVAX right now at present prices, and still leave your buy limit order at $15 as well, just in case if the market falls down towards that spot. And then if you're looking to take some profit, you can definitely do that at $21. Once we see the market break $21 for AVAX, the next resistance for it is at $30. So even buying it from the dip right now of $18, if you hold it all the way to $30, that is almost double your buy. If it falls all the way to $15 and then we start going back up at $30, that is literally double your buy. Okay, so even at present prices, and if you want to consider taking some profit at $30, still almost doubling your money, right? So it's still a pretty good buy. I just thought I should cover this since I covered it the last time, and I told you guys that we should consider buying at $15. Okay, so right now buying at present prices is still okay. All right, so let's talk about one of those AI cryptocurrencies. This is one that one of you guys told me to take a look at. Based on what I know for this one, ICP, this one is called Internet Computer. I know it's not really much of an AI cryptocurrency, but you know, during the AI boom, it was pushing up as well. Like you can see, it went all the way from like $5 to its high of like recent high of like $8. So whoever bought it at the dip of like $5 when it was at $5 definitely made a bank on taking it all the way to $8. But right now it is back down at around $6. So it's a perfect price if you really believe in this cryptocurrency. Remember guys, most of these cryptocurrencies that are all tagged AI and are all pushing up because we have this huge hype right now with ChatGPT and Microsoft and Google and all that stuff, right? Everybody is channeling it into anything that is related with AI. It's just like how we had this NFT bubble. We had it in the last bull run where we had a lot of NFT just going crazy in price. A lot of their cryptocurrencies as well still going up in price. You know, it's the same thing we have over here, right? So I feel like AI will probably be the next bubble of the next bull run, right? We'll have a lot of AI cryptocurrencies just going parabolic in prices, and we're starting to see something similar in these movements that we're seeing even in these bear markets. So what I'll just tell you guys is that do your research, okay? Make sure that these cryptocurrencies are indeed going to make a difference, okay, before you invest into them. I personally don't have any stake in any of these AI cryptocurrencies. I am just focused on what I am focused on because for me, I like to play it safe of sticking to what I know, and obviously as time goes on I would know which one is good and which one I should invest my money in. But right now I'm not just going to be throwing money into it because it's going parabolic in price and it's going to go in a huge way up, right? But regardless, if you guys are interested in any one, give me the ticker symbol and I'll take a look at it and I will review it in these episodes, right? Just like I'm taking a look at this one right now. So this one was also brought by one of you guys, which I'm going to be taking a look at. So right now ICP is sitting down at a very good spot right now of $6. So if you would like to buy the dip for ICP, this is another opportunity because these cryptocurrencies went so high in price that buying them when they were already up so much up in price, like $8, for example, this one was at $8, it wouldn't have been a good spot. It wouldn't even have been a good time to buy at $7, and I'm very sure most people would have hyped into it and bought it at $7 and you know all that. So right now for ICP, buying it at present prices is a good thing because yeah, it's currently sitting at support and you can consider taking some profit at $8 because it just came down from that spot. Now if we were looking to take it to higher prices, we could see ICP go all the way to $10. So consider taking some more profit at $10 if you can wait for it to get all the way to $10 instead of the recent one that you just did at $8. That would also still be good. It will make you more returns, but you can still hold it for a long time. Like I said, if this is something you really believe in, that yes, this is actually going to make a huge difference in the next bull run, because mind you, yes, I believe that AI cryptocurrencies and the AI hype is going to be real in the next bull run. So some of these cryptocurrencies, this could even just be their beginning, right? They could really go really high. And let me even check while you guys are here. Let me even see how high ICP has gone. ICP went all the way to like $2,800. Obviously that fell down really quick. It fell down to like $250. So let's just say realistically, right, we could see ICP get all the way to $250. So if you can buy into it, if you're really into this type of cryptocurrency, you can buy $20, $30 worth, and by the time it gets all the way to $250, you have $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in your hand, right? If it gets back to that high. Like I said, most of these things are just hype right now because, you know, AI is a cool thing, and AI is really cool, but you have to also know that some of these things are just hype. But with that being said, this is what the ICP chart shows, and if you are looking to buy the dip for ICP right now, is pretty much a good time to buy it at, and you can take some profit at $10, or if you're not so sure about it, take some profit at $8 because $8 was where it went to recently. Now let's take a look at Velas. This is also another one that you guys told me to take a look at. Velas right now sits at 2 cents, and at this point it doesn't even really matter where you buy it at because it's so freaking cheap. But if you're really looking to just get in and get out, you should consider doing so at 1.8 cents, which is like 0.018, right, which is like 1.8 cents. So we could see Velas come down towards 1.8 cents. That is a really good support for you to buy Velas at. So if you can buy Velas at that point, consider taking some profit at 0.03, which is basically 3 cents. So if you can buy Velas at 1.8 cents, take some profit at 3 cents. That is a good spot to take some profit. The market has not broken off from that spot in a while, so 3 cents is a very strong resistance for Velas, but also 1.8 cents is a very good support for you to buy Velas at. So setting the buy limit at 1.8 cents is definitely not a bad idea, but like I said, if these cryptocurrencies you want to hold them for long, honestly, if you buy at 2 cents or if you buy at 1.8 cents, it doesn't really matter, because you know, if when it goes back up to its high, you would really make a lot of money. Now if I should check for Velas, it went to its high of like 53 cents, right? So in the last bull run, Velas that's like of November 2021, it went all the way to its high of 53 cents. So if you're buying Velas right now, it's like nothing compared to what you would make when it gets back to its high of 53 cents. But then again, some of these things are just pure hype, so you don't really know. So make sure you do your research, because I am certainly not doing my research. I'm just taking a look at the chart and looking at it from a way of trading it. So if you're interested in doing that, that is exactly what I have just shown you. Alright, so let's take a look at Fetch AI. So this is fetch.ai, and by the looks of it, this is one that has actually been, you know, going up in a very good way. It looks like it has a good amount of volume in it, and it has just been going up steadily. You see, it went all the way from like 5 cents in November of 2022, which is just a couple of months ago, right? It went all the way from like 5 cents, and it has been going up steadily, went all the way to 59 cents. It seems like people actually know about this one more than the other two that I've just looked at, because of the price movement and how it's just steadily going up over time, right? So for fetch.ai, right now it sits at 42 cents. If you're looking to buy it, well, yeah, you can still go ahead and buy it at present prices, just because, like I said, 38 cents would have been a great spot to buy it, but it probably won't come down there, especially with the way Bitcoin right now, it's slowing down at $23,000, right? So if you see Bitcoin starts going up from $23,000, we probably might not get a second opportunity to buy the dip for Fetch AI at 38 cents. But I strongly recommend you buy right now at 42 cents, because, you know, we probably could start going up from here. And then if you're looking to take some profit, 60 cents is going to be a good spot to take some profit. And then from there, if you're looking to take some more profit, consider doing so at 94 cents. 94 cents, we see we had a very good resistance at 94 cents. So even if you buy right now 42 cents, at 84 cents you would have doubled your money, right? But we don't even have a strong resistance until 94 cents. Okay, so yeah, you're pretty much going to make good return if you should buy Fetch AI even at present prices. Now, since everybody is going crazy about AI cryptocurrencies, I decided that why don't I just add one that is also on the Cardano network. So this is SingularityNet. If you're very into Cardano eco space, you would know about SingularityNet. So SingularityNet is definitely an AI cryptocurrency. They were first originally on the Ethereum network before they moved over to Cardano network. So I think they're still in the Ethereum network, but I think they've made, at least for the most part, they've majorly migrated to the Cardano network. So this is one that at least I am familiar with a little bit. And you can see SingularityNet also came all the way from like 5 cents, and it has gradually grown steadily. And in the last week, which is like February 23rd, right, it had moved all the way from like 18 cents all the way to its high of like 66 cents before now falling down to 40 cents. So SingularityNet is pretty much one of the ones that are going to really go up in price, especially being that, yeah, Cardano is also going to go up in price in future. You know that this one, which is also related to AI, is also going to be one of the ones that will also go up in future. And this is one that I'm probably, if I'm buying any AI cryptocurrency, this is going to be one of the ones that I'm going to buy, because in fact this is probably the first one I'm ever going to buy, right? So this one is going to be a big deal. Now, if you're looking to buy it, present prices, perfect. Buy it at present prices because it's already at support. So it's most likely just going to start going up from here. Now, if I'm to check what the high has been for this, yeah, in fact, the high was literally just created last week at 66 cents, right? So this is still one of those ones that will still have to discover themselves in the next bull run, right? So yeah, it's definitely a new day for AI cryptocurrencies, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to be the ones that are leading the next bull run. And if you're interested in getting into any one, just let me know in the comment section down below so I can take a look at it for you. If you're interested in trading them, or if you're interested in just taking some profits or holding them for the long term, put them in the description below. I'll take a look at them, let you know where's the best spots to buy them, and then if you want to take some profit along the way, you can definitely do that as well. But at least for me, SingularityNet is going to be the first cryptocurrency that is related to AI that I'm going to buy, because it's on the Cardano network. And I know that since Cardano is going to be a big deal, and this actually is the most popular AI cryptocurrency on the Cardano network. Even before this AI thing became a hype with ChatGPT and Bing, and everybody is just crazy about it, everything is just going parabolic, right? This one, I had known about it since like last year. This is also a good one. The other ones I also cover, like I said, do your research before you get into them. But if you want to capitalize on the hype, you can definitely do so as well. Let me know what they are in the comment section down below. I'll take a look at them for you, and you can capitalize on the hype as well. But whatever I say in these videos, it's not financial advice, okay? So trading all these things also still come at a risk. Definitely know that before you get into them. Okay, so that's it for this episode. I know you guys have not been hearing from me often. Honestly, I really try my best. It's not been easy for me because I have other schedules in my life right now that is just taking over my entire days. But I will still try my best for you to keep making this video for you guys. At least now is the perfect time to have made this video, because right now we have a lot of cryptocurrencies right now sitting down at support, which is perfect for you to get into them. Okay, so let me know which other one you guys want me to cover in the next episode for this in the comment section down below. All right, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video as well. Share to people who you think are going to be interested in looking at it as well. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.